Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture, I wanted to explain to you in a very easy format what CodeIgniter actually is. I don't want to overcomplicate things, really. CodeIgniter is just a framework. It's just a file with a bunch of classes and functions. They are actually making a little bit more complicated than what actually is. So, Model View Controller or MVC means that we're separating the logic from presentation. All right, we're separating all those really advanced code from that user presentation, from the page, from the HTML page. All right, so for instance, this page right here could be a view. All right, and right, so we could have a user model, we could have a form model, we could have many different models. Those models would be classes, and inside those classes we will have functions, of course, right? And properties and all that. All right. So basically, what this whole framework is doing is separating these classes from the view classes and from the controller classes. Now, the view classes are going to be classes in charge of presenting the HTML code, right? These are going to be functions and, you know, all right? I want you to show me a view, all right? But at the same time, I also want to get some information from a model, all right, and then transfer it to a view. So this is going to be the controller. This is going to control everything. It's going to control the views, and it's going to control the models, the databases, and the web pages. And that's all. All right? Don't overcomplicate it. Don't think this is science fiction or whatever. This is very simple. It's just that they divided this, all right, into this structure. Web pages into databases, web pages, and the main functions that control this too. All right, and you're gonna see, and all you have to learn basically is the syntax, is the way we write functions and things like that in the CodeIgniter. And this is why I created this course, because I'm going to show you how to actually, I'm going to show you the syntax that CodeIgniter uses to communicate with this, to get views, to get models, and to use controllers. All right, we're gonna be using all these three very, very soon, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. All right, so anyway, I think I'm done explaining to you, giving you the general information about what CodeIgniter is and what MVC really is. All right, so basically, if you want to leave with some information out of this lecture here, just know that basically Model View Controller, or MVC framework, is just a separation, all right, of your code into these three different categories: models, views, and controllers. All right, and that's all. And you're gonna see this in the file structure in the upcoming lecture. Thank you so much, and I'll see you then. Take care.